Hello everyone, welcome to another alt trader indicator video. Today we're going to be discussing the Doge Coin USDT perpetual Binance chart, and we have been testing the alt trader indicator for Dogecoin scalps. So we have set the power at 50 and we're looking for a kind of minimum move of 5% with a stop loss of 5% as well. We also have the 200 moving average for the 4 hour in terms of it being above the 200 moving average. So we decided not to focus on shorts, especially with the market being the way it is. So if we see kind of the most action start here around about the 16th, and again with us looking for 5% moves, you can see how within the space of 20 minutes, 10 minutes, that would have hit. So for instance, if you're using this indicator and you hit your 5%, essentially you could either move your stop loss to a break even, or you could sell a percentage of the Dogecoin that you have and continue to ride it up, because essentially just on this one move over the course of 2 hours, over the course of 2.5 hours, there's pretty much a 60% move, and again this is without any leverage. So you imagine if you're using 10x leverage or 50x leverage, the gains that you would have received would have been massive, and that's just off the first trade. Again, we can see another massive move here, 8:30 in the morning. We rode this till 1:35 in the afternoon, and that's a 73% move. So the first two, again, even if you would have taken 5% profit, you would have been nice. Here is probably one that we would have got stopped out on, which is fine, because again we're only losing 5% on those two previous moves. The gains that you would have received would completely counteract the loss there. Now here's another move. So again, 11% over 2 hours. Here's another one that we would have seen stop us out, but again the moves that we're getting in terms of the overall gains from the longs positions, the winning positions, they are massive. I mean, that's 20% again, and this is all on zero leverage. So just to kind of give you an idea of the power of this indicator, again another 19% move there. Some are bigger than others, but again, as you can see, the ones that we're looking at, they're all bigger than 5%. So if you're smart with money management and make sure that you are moving your stop losses and following the trend, and not trying to jump on every single trade, I think that's another important thing. So for instance, here's another 30% move. Now this one, afterwards, you might have been happy with the 30% move for the day, and that would be it. However, if you continuously do every single trade, so far we've only had 3 down in terms of the losses, but the gains outweigh the losses by a mile, especially if you've got a stop loss as well. So this again is pretty much set up as follows. We're taking the shorts off, we set the power to 50, we're looking at first take profit 5%, maybe 10% on the second take profit, and a stop loss on 5% as well. Very, very, very good chart. The indicator is smashing it in terms of finding the right entry positions for us, and again, Dogecoin has such good volatility for you to get such big gains in short periods. it's perfect for scalping. And like I said, you're not going to be doing every single flag that pops up. So essentially, you could hit your daily target in one trade in a couple of hours and be done with it, and that's perfect. So again, we have to keep in mind that you want to make sure that you are managing your money, you aren't jumping on every trade, and essentially having yourself a target. We set, like I said, we set ours at 5%. We would have easily hit 5% on the majority of these trades, with a couple losses, and obviously the best part of it being is that we could have easily followed the trend upwards, and if we didn't get too greedy, we could be taking 10% on these moves, and again, selling half at 5%, selling the other half at 10%. We could have done it that way as well. Again, if you guys have any other videos that you want us to put the alt trader indicator to work on, if you've got a particular coin that you want us to look at or a particular market, let us know in the comment section below. Again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.